Hi everyone, welcome back. So yesterday we discussed the video in which the market was continuously moving upside, and we marked a upside also a buy side which is 49,700. So today what happened? The market was gap up opening and it came down to fill the gap, and it was eventually moving upside. Okay, so this was yesterday's high PDH. Okay, so this was yesterday's high, and eventually the market closed above and it was continuously moving upside. Okay, so I didn't took any trade because as I mentioned yesterday also, after sweeping this area only, I'll be expecting a put side to downside. Okay, so here what my expectation was, the market to sweep this area and close below. I would have entered somewhere here in the inversion FEG or in the retracing somewhere else. I would have entered here and the target would have been here. Okay, but unfortunately I didn't got any trade because the area didn't sweep. Eventually the market came down and the price has reached where I wanted. So this was the area which I needed the price to reach. The reason is I will tell. Okay, so yesterday, while the market was closing, we were having a 5-minute fair value gap in which it was a gap up today. So this became an inversion FVG. So I was expecting a move like this for a put trade for the target to reach over here. Okay, so I was continuously waiting, and after 11 o'clock, so this was the Asian low. I will just mark it for you. Asian low, and this was the Asian high. Let it be. Okay, so after 11 o'clock, as you know, after 11:25 the Asian session will be over, and this was the manipulation session. Okay, so I was pretty sure, actually I didn't have any good setup, but I was pretty sure the market will be coming here and tapping here. But the reason is that the nearest area to sweep is the Asian low. The London session will be sweeping the Asian high or the Asian low. So it was targeting the Asian low. I came to know that, but I didn't have any opportunities. I was waiting for this candle, the 12:30 candle. Here we got a displacement, and I was having an bearish FVG. Okay, this was my bearish FVG. So my setup was, after retracing, after a candle was closing in a red, I would have taken a trade like this and keeping a SL over here, targeting towards this area. Okay, so what happened is that the next candle also closed above this FEG, and this became an inversion FEG in which the next candle also didn't respect. Okay, but eventually the price came to our target area. If we were getting this candle in here, it would have been a good trade. Continuously within 2 to 3 candles we would have achieved the target and we would have exited in a good profit. Okay, but we didn't get any target. Okay, so then I took a risky trade actually. I took a risky trade even though I know this is the target, but I know this is a sell side in which it can be sweeping. So I just analyzed this as a displacement candle and I marked this FVG also. Okay, I marked this FVG in which the price retraced back, and I was just eventually waiting. I was just waiting for this to be forming a red candle in which I got a red candle. But still I was having only 50 percentage chances for this to hit the target because it is already taken the range. The sell side can be sweeping is another criteria only. So I kept my SL above this candle. Okay, my plan was, if the price is closing above this FEG, I will be exiting the trade as soon as possible because I know it will be shooting upwards, because if this will be becoming an inversion FEG and from there the price will be moving upwards. Okay, so this was my plan. So I took a trade also. In the very next candle itself, my SL was hit. Okay, so I lost almost, I think, 60 to 70 points in that trade, but it's okay. It was a minimal trade, and my target was like this much. Okay, so this was my setup for today, but the SL has been 100, and what happened is that eventually it became an inversion FPG and the price is moving upwards. Okay, so after that it was completely sideways. I didn't get any good trade setups. And I'm expecting a bounce from here to here, but I'm not pretty sure. Okay, I'll be just waiting for my level. This was a risky trade. It's okay. I got my SL, and I'm fine with that because it was a adjustable risk only. Because my plan was perfect. If the candle is closing above the FVG, I'll be exiting the trade. I won't be holding that much. Okay, because my concept was, the price should react from the FVG to the sell side. It didn't, so I exited the trade. That's how we can reduce the loss. You don't want to hold the price till here, and when the price should be, we don't know the price will be coming back or not, we don't know. Okay, so what happened is that in the 15 minutes also we were having an inversion FVG. Here this was an inversion FVG. Okay, FVG, sorry, inversion FVG. This was an inversion FVG. In the manipulation zone, the price didn't react over here. It closed below and it formed an inversion FVG. Okay, I was expecting another trade also, because in the 12:30 candle the London session opened and it was just tapping here and came down. I was expecting actually the price to, in the 12:30 candle, the price to tap in the 1/3, at least the 1/3 area, and close below in a red candle. I would have entered the trade there, like entering the trade over here and keeping my SL over here, targeting the 5-minute inversion FVG. Where was the inversion FVG? Here it was the inversion FVG. Okay, actually this was also my trade setup, but what happened is that I didn't get that setup also, because the 15 minutes candle itself went down after just tapping a little bit of FVG, and it came down, and the minutes candle just retraced and came to our target. Then what happened from here, the prices started shooting, came to the FVG again, and I was expecting an again like a retracing, for retracing to the FVG and close below. But again what happened is the price is closed below and it was just completely coming downwards to the inversion fair value gap again, and it bounced back. So this was completely sideways. I didn't get any trades after that. A small SL was hitted. So that's all for today, what happened in the market for me personally. So what I'm expecting for tomorrow is that if I'm getting a gap up, I'll be just looking at the price action. I will be expecting a reversal from here towards this sell side. Okay, this will be my expectation. A buy side sweeping and an imbalance and a change of character will be good for my put side. That is my plan. As we were analyzing before, yesterday also we just drew this Fibonacci, in which the price was in the golden zone, and today it reacted in the 0.706, exactly in the 0.706 the price reacted and it came down. But if we are having a 5-minute fair value gap also there, like this we are having a 5-minute fair value gap. Okay, this was a 5-minute fair value gap in which the price was there and the 0.706 was also there, but I was just waiting for this area to be getting swept, because it was just how much points, so 50 or 60 points away. Then I would have shorted the market in a red candle or an indecision candle, but unfortunately I didn't get any trades like that. The market just reacted from the 0.706 area towards our target area. If we were getting some good setups, like we know this is a area where the market will be reacting. If we are getting a sweep and a indecision candle like this in a red, the candle should have come here, then I would have entered the trade there by keeping the high as my SL, the day high as my SL, and I would have been holding this trade continuously till here, at least till here. But eventually I know the price will be coming here, because this order should be filled by the market. How much we will be having, risking 1:4 trade we will be getting, just 174 risk and 653 points in the chart. But what can I say, market is always supreme. I didn't get. So this is my trade setup for tomorrow also. The market will be, I hope, the path which I can draw is that here, from here, from here, from here, from here to here. Maybe the price will be going like this, taking an FVG and sweeping this area, coming down. Again it will be hitting and coming down. Maybe this is the expectation which I am expecting, because the SL will be hunting more and more. The 0.786 is a strong area in which we can get a reaction also. Okay, so let's wait and see how the buy side is getting swept and reacting over here or somewhere. Okay, even though this is a range which we can expect the price to reach. Okay, or else what can happen is that from here the price can just come down and sweep this area, and it can reverse also. Okay, so I'll be looking a call setup like this only. I won't be trading like this in the call setup. I won't be looking a price action like this to enter the trade. I don't want to enter here. I'll be expecting a price action like this to enter. This is an equal low, because all here the market is creating a lot of liquidity areas which will be getting, and it will be coming down, in which we can get a put side, but I don't mind because my sell side is almost near. So I'll be expecting a good setup like this to reach here or more. If I'm getting a setup like this, then I'll be entering here. Definitely I'll be entering here because I got a market structure shift. I got a market structure shift here, and an imbalance will be good for me to reach my target over here. We will be keeping my SL over here or somewhere. If you're getting a good price action like that, then it will be good. Okay, so the market is in range 49,700 and the 48,800 is the range. How much point? I'm sorry. Okay, 800 and almost 900 point, in which we are not trading anything inside. We'll be just waiting for the buy side or the sell side to get suit for the market to react, and then we'll be entering the trade. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope I will be meeting you people tomorrow. Okay, thank you.